this video, I'll show you how to free up storage on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. Over time, we download a lot of apps, photos, videos, and files, which can quickly fill up the storage on our phones. When your storage is almost full, you may start experiencing issues like apps not opening, apps crashing, or your device slowing down. The good news is that Samsung provides built-in tools to free up storage without deleting your important photos, videos, or files. Let's get started. First, open the app drawer and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Device Care. Here you'll find several options to manage your phone. Tap on Storage. If you're using One UI 8 or 8.5, Samsung will automatically analyze your device and suggest ways to free up storage. You'll see different suggestions like review installation files, remove duplicate files, delete large files, archive apps, empty the recycle bin, remove unused apps. First, tap Review Installation Files. These are temporary installation files that are no longer needed after apps are installed. You can safely delete them to free up space. Next, check the recycle bin. Files stored in the recycle bin still take up space on your device. Tap it, then select Delete All to permanently remove those files. You can also look at unused apps. Samsung shows apps that you haven't used in a long time. If you no longer need them, simply select the apps and uninstall them to free up storage. You may also see options for duplicate files or large files. Review these files and delete anything you don't need. Using these built-in tools makes it quick and easy to manage your storage and free up space on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series device. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.